All right. So what I wanted to talk to you guys about today in this quick video is that this morning I had a lot of meetings with partners and clients, and the past month, 3 of our partnerships have hit their first 100K month. And I was just thinking back to like everybody, but like we have some beginners at partnerships who are at 10 or 20K a month right now, we just started with, and we have some partnerships who we're working with for like 2 to 3 months who are already at that 100K mark. And I've come to the conclusion after building these high ticket service businesses over and over again to that 6 figures a month mark that the same mistakes are made every single time, and the roadmap is actually insanely easy. So while I was having the meetings, I just made some notes, and now that I'm back, I just wanted to take you guys through the notes that I made to just give it to you for free here, like the actual roadmap and the most important things, because the most mistakes are being made on a strategic level, on like like let's say a leadership level, and they are so easy to fix. So let me just take you through them, through all the different points and what you need to focus on at which point, so that after this video you know exactly what you need to focus on to actually go to the next level. So I'll just grab it real quick right here. And the first most important thing, obviously, if you haven't even started yet, is just think of something that you actually know, like knowledge or experience, or something that you have that's of actual value that you can sell for a high ticket price, let's say 2K, 3K, 4K, or upwards from there. If you have anything in that is from any like value to other people, so that might be in fitness niche, it might be in relationship world, in love world, it might be helping people make more money, helping people get more free time, helping people feel better, whatever it might be, just anything that's like remotely important in somebody's life on a day-to-day basis. If you can help somebody with that, a certain niche, then you have the ability to actually go to 6 figures a month. Now, as soon as so that's like the first step. You want to figure out what it is that your value is. Second step, very easy. Think of an offer, okay? Just think of any offer. What are you going to help people with? What's their point A? Who are you trying to speak to? What's their point B? Where are you going to bring them with the knowledge that you have and with the value that you're going to be providing? That's it, okay? First 2 steps, done. Very easy. Probably most of y'all already have that figured out. Then the third step is to start selling. Yeah, so you just want to start selling and just sell as much as possible of your offer. And while selling, just make sure you listen real good to the feedback you get from your leads and your clients. So from your clients, what is the reason they actually bought? What is the reason they were interested in the first place? And what do they hope to accomplish? What are their biggest pain points right now that you're going to solve for them? You want to write all of that down. And also the people you didn't close, but you were in contact with, like, what is the reason they initially were interested, but eventually didn't end up signing with you and didn't end up wanting to actually pursue it with you? What's the big bottleneck there? You're just going to take all that information and you're going to take all those lessons while in the meantime helping out the people that you have closed to get them the first results. That's going to be your testimonials or results, and you're going to use that later. But the rest is just basically tweaking your offer. So making sure that your offer and the way you sell and like the whole sales process is refined, so that you're actually consistently able to sell people who are interested. And from that point onwards, you basically just want to make sure you get more people who are interested in what you have to offer. So that's basically it. You start selling, sell until you're at 10K a month. Somewhere around 10K, 15K, 20K a month, you're gonna feel stuck, and it's because your delivery isn't fixed yet. So also, like, just pay attention to the fact that I told you to start selling before making anything, okay? So you have your offer, you start selling stuff, and that's it. And then afterwards, after you've sold it, that's where you're just going to figure out how you're going to help them. Like, you know you have that value, you know you can help those people, and you're just going to figure out how to do it. You don't need a delivery, you don't need a course, you don't need systems, you don't need anything. Just sell it first, help people, that's it. Once you've helped the first people, and you know and it's successful, etc., which you're going to find it's easier than you are thinking right now, that's it. Then from that point onwards, you just want to make sure that you scale to that 10, 15, 20K a month, and then you're gonna be probably stuck. You take a couple of weeks, listen, weeks, okay, not months, weeks, to fix your delivery, fix everything, to make sure that you can consistently get people results and that you don't, that it doesn't take you like 40, 50 hours per person to get them results. So you just refine, like you just fix your whole delivery basically. Then next step is, there is a way that you've been getting clients, right? Because you have been getting clients. You just want to double down on the way that has been getting you clients. So if it's cold outreach, double down on it and get to 20 or 30K a month. If it has been emailing, double down. If it has been cold calling, double down. If it has been organic marketing, double down, especially then double down. If it has been a funnel, it probably hasn't, but double down on whatever has been working for you, okay? Then the next step is you're gonna add more stuff. So especially if you work, like if you operate online, like I am, like everything we do is online. So what you wanna do is start making content, start just providing value to the world. That's basically what I'm doing here as well. Now for me personally, it's not because I wanna sell you anything, it's just because I wanna help you out and build an audience. But if you eventually wanna sell something, you gotta show people first that you actually have the value that you're gonna provide to them. So don't be shy, just give it all away, put it on the internet, it's gonna be fine, okay? So just give the actual value that you hold inside and just put it out there on the internet and keep tweaking, see what other people in your niche are doing, see what's working, what isn't working for you. Again, really closely look at the data and the information that you have from the people who have been your leads or your clients, because that information is actual gold. And I see too many people not actually use that. So think about what people have told you. Think about what emotions, what trigger points have made people move in towards a direction of actually working with you, and use that inside of your content. Now, as you're building your organic presence, eventually what you want to do is basically just build a funnel and scale the whole thing up. So that's what we do. If people are somewhere between 20 and 50K a month, their product, their delivery, everything is fixed, everything is validated. So they know their niche, they can close, the sales process is refined, their delivery is fixed, they are ready to scale up. Then we just literally add like a machine that just throws like warm leads into the business. And because everything else is already fixed at that point, you can easily get it to 100K. And that's pretty much it. Let's see if I noted anything else. That's literally it. And then from like 100K, or sometimes it's at like 60 or 80 or 100K, whatever it might be. If you're around that 100K mark and you want to scale further to 200K, 300K, that is when you build your systems, okay? That's when you actually build like the whole team management systems, the automations, and then that's when you actually build like the CRM, the data, dashboarding, everything like that. If you actually want to scale from there, because otherwise you're going to be stuck and unable to scale further. Now, obviously a little bit earlier, so between like, let's say 40 to 70K, you're gonna want to start building your CRM and some systems and some automations, email marketing. You want to add some stuff. Obviously, you're gonna start building a team. But like on a strategic level, if we just zoom out on everything, the only thing we really need to do is like focus on the things that I've just shared with you. So if you recognize you're at any of those points, like you now should know exactly what you need to focus on. So at the beginning stage, just sell. If you're stuck at delivery at some point, like between 10 and 20K a month, fix your delivery. After that, make the equation. What does it cost for you to acquire a new customer? And how much is a customer worth to you? If that whole like calculation doesn't add up, then you need to fix your offer. And if it does add up, you are ready to scale. You just need to find more ways to get new leads in, get new calls booked, and that's it. Because you already know you can sell them, you know you can help them, and you know they are willing to pay. So it's only becoming like easier from that point onwards. That's pretty much it. That's just something I was thinking about this morning. I just wanted to share it with you guys. Please just stop overcomplicating everything. Like literally, it's all so much easier than you think. And I hear people talking about, oh, I need to fix my systems, I need to fix my CRM, my automation, my data is not there yet. While they're doing like 10 or 20K a month, like that is not your bottleneck. Actually look at what your bottleneck is and what's actually like keeping you from hitting 6 figures consistently, and work on that bottleneck. Stop worrying about everything else. Just work on what's actually keeping you from your goal. Keep things simple. That's basically what I wanted to say. Anyways, if you got any value out of this video, I would appreciate it if you subscribe here on YouTube or went to my Instagram and follow me there. The only thing I do here on the socials is just splash thoughts like these and share value as much as I can, and just kind of take you through the whole route with me. Now, that's pretty much it. Enjoy your day.